Hi guys. So today I'm gonna show you how I color grade. I only use. Okay, let's start again. Hi guys. So today I'm gonna show you how I color grade. I use the color balance adjustment here for my color grading. This is a picture that Alpha Media took of me. Oh, okay. That's for my Ghanaian people. Let's move on. Yeah, I have to look fine in the picture, so I have to give myself a little haircut, make sure it looks over done. Alright, yeah, let's move on. Oh, I look fine. Kidding. Not good. So, yeah, I'm gonna change the tone to highlights because I'm gonna work on the highlights. So again, I have a problem with numbers, so let me just 20 here, and here, and let me put negative 10 here. Ooh. And moving to the shadows, I'm gonna put 9. I'm gonna put -3, and I'm gonna put 6, maybe, or 3, I don't know. So yeah, see, very simple. Color grading done. But I actually like this warm feel to I actually like adding that warm feel to all my pictures. So for that warm feel, I'm gonna use solid color. Just to this side. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, baby. Okay, so now we have our solid color, and yeah, I'm gonna change the blending mode to soft light. Boom, and I'm gonna double click on that very layer, and I'll have this open. I'm gonna hold Alt and drag all the way. Ooh, okay, and I'm gonna reduce this too. There we go. Now if you want to go crazy, you can add sunlight to it. So from this picture, I'm supposed to put sunlight or any kind of flare in it. It will have to be from the left side, because I have this white stuff on my face showing that the sun was hitting me from the side. With that, I'm gonna use gradient, and again, just have to go for something sunny. Gradient, yeah. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna place it somewhere here. There we go. And I'm gonna change this to screen, and boom, voila, I'm done. Now if you didn't get this tutorial, I really don't care. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. But again, if you didn't get it, okay, I'm done. I'll see you whenever. Bye. Would have gave everything.